Hello friends, so today we are going to start class 7 science book chapter 2 nutrition in animals. So friends, today's our topic is digestion process in humans. So friends, in our previous video we have already discussed about the ingestion process in humans, and friends, we also discussed that when the tongue mixes the chewed food with the saliva, then it makes bolus. So friends, today in this video we are going to discuss about the next adventure of bolus. So friends, after when the bolus comes from the buccal cavity, then it next enters into the pharynx. So friends, now we discuss about the pharynx. So friends, it is a short common muscular tube for the passage of food and air. So friends, no digestion process occurs in this organ. So friends, there is a possibility of the bolus from the buccal cavity to entering into the windpipe instead of the food pipe. So friends, there is a muscular flap-like structure which is known as epiglottis, which covers the windpipe. When the bolus comes from the buccal cavity, then the epiglottis covers the windpipe, and then the food actually goes inside the food pipe. So friends, this is the work of the epiglottis, and this is pharynx. So friends, now we discuss about the esophagus. So friends, esophagus is a muscular tube for the passage of the bolus to the stomach. So friends, no digestion takes place in the esophagus. So the walls of the esophagus contract and relax in a wave-like movement to push the food to the stomach. So these wave-like movements of the walls of the esophagus is known as peristalsis. So friends, now we discuss about the stomach. So friends, from the esophagus, the food moves to the stomach. So friends, stomach is the J-shaped organ and is the widest part of the alimentary canal. So friends, the stomach has some gastric juices. So these gastric juices contains three substances. These three substances are hydrochloric acid, mucus and digestive juices. So friends, now first we discuss about the hydrochloric acid. So friends, hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria which is present in the bolus. So now friends, we discuss about mucus. So friends, mucus protects the stomach walls from the acid in the stomach. So friends, now we discuss about the digestive juices. So friends, digestive juices break down the complex substances into the simpler forms. So friends, now we discuss about the small intestine. The small intestine is also the part of digestion in the humans. Small intestine. So friends, the small intestine is the long, highly coiled tube with a small diameter. So the process of digestion completes in the small intestine. Small intestine is also known as the final site of the digestion also. So friends, the small intestine also receives some secretions from the liver and the pancreas, and the inner walls of the intestine also secrete some juices which is known as the intestinal juices. So friends, now we discuss about the liver. So friends, liver is the largest gland in the body, and liver has a sac which is known as gallbladder. So friends, liver secretes some juices which is known as bile juice. So friends, liver secretes bile juice, and liver also stores bile juice inside the gallbladder. So friends, bile juice contains bile salts. So bile salts helps to break down the large fat drops into simpler ones. So friends, now we discuss about the pancreas. Friends, pancreas is a small leaf-shaped gland, and friends, pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. So friends, pancreatic juice helps in the conversion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins into simpler ones. Thank you.